My favorite thing about living in the Taber home is the quality of the home that we got. Taber says that they overbuild their homes. Well, they actually do. And we've really enjoyed it, haven't had any issues at all. We're Paul and Ginny Moore. We live in the Westfall Edition in Choctaw, Oklahoma.
I think it was looking at all the different models, all the different homes. It was kind of fun, like we were Christmas shopping or something.
We looked at several different homes during this whole process, different locations, different areas, and we kept coming back to the Westfall Taber home. One of the reasons we chose Homes by Taber was the different amenities that are offered with the different homes. Fences, sprinkler systems, storm cellars, lots of cabinet space.
It was pretty smooth.
It was smooth.
Yeah.
We bought a few homes in our marriage and our time together, but this was very, very simple. It really was. We enjoyed it.
There weren't any issues. Everything was on schedule. Every date they gave us, it was very smooth. They had just started it, which we liked that part because we got to pick out paint and tile and all that stuff.
Ginny really likes having all the extra storage space. Our last home that we lived in didn't quite have as much, and we didn't realize how much we were missing. But things like the walk-in pantry is nice.
Oh, the pantry is lovely. Yes, absolutely.
The large walk-in closet, the ability to go from the closet into the laundry room, that's really handy. I think our home buying journey with Taber Homes, it was easy.